Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're like me and you love a good blush that not only adds a beautiful pop of color, but also feels luxurious on your skin, you might want to stick around. Today, we're talking about a blush that's been getting a lot of attention, the Jane Iredale PurePressed blush in the shade Barely Rose. This product promises a luminous finish with full coverage, and we're about to see if it really delivers. The PurePressed blush is a pressed powder formula from Jane Iredale, a brand known for its clean, skin-loving ingredients. The blush claims to give your cheeks a natural flush of color with a radiant, glowing finish. What makes this blush stand out is its luminous texture. It's not overly matte, nor is it shimmery in a way that competes with the rest of your makeup. It's just the right amount of glow to give your skin a healthy, lit-from-within look. When it comes to the formula, Barely Rose is a soft, pinky rose shade, and I must say, it's surprisingly versatile. It works for a variety of skin tones, giving a subtle but fresh tint without looking too heavy. The product contains minerals, which help to enhance your skin's appearance without clogging pores, so it's also great for those with sensitive skin or those prone to breakouts. Plus, it's free from synthetic fragrances and parabens, always a bonus when it comes to clean beauty products. Now let's get into how it actually performs. I've been using this blush for a few weeks now, and I'm pretty impressed. The PurePressed blush applies smoothly with a brush, and it blends out easily. It has a soft, velvety texture that isn't too powdery, which I personally love because it doesn't leave any cakey finish. It feels lightweight on the skin, almost like you're not wearing anything, but the pigment is definitely there. A couple of swipes gives you full coverage, so you don't have to overdo it. In terms of longevity, I've worn this blush through long work days and even a couple of gym sessions, and I was pleased to see it held up well. It didn't fade or lose its vibrant color by midday. While it doesn't claim to be sweat-proof, I did notice that it stayed intact even after a workout, so I'd say it's fairly resilient. As for the pros, the color payoff is fantastic. You don't need much to achieve the desired effect, which makes this blush a good value for the price. The luminous finish is beautiful, gives you a natural healthy glow without being too glittery. The ingredients also stand out, clean and cruelty-free, which is a huge plus in my book. On the flip side, the only con I could find is that it might be a bit too luminous for those who prefer a completely matte blush. If you're not a fan of any glow at all, this might not be for you. Also, since it is a pressed powder, you'll need to be careful when applying it to avoid powder kick-up in the pan. But this is more of a minor inconvenience than a deal breaker. Now, as for value for money, I think this blush is definitely worth it if you're looking for a high-quality, skin-friendly option that will last. The pigmentation and the longevity, combined with the clean ingredients, make it a solid investment for anyone who wants a natural flush with a touch of glow. Comparing it to similar blushes, this blush is on the pricier side, but it's much more skincare friendly than many drugstore options. The pigment payoff is on par with some high-end brands like NARS, but I'd argue that the clean, natural ingredients here give it an edge if you're looking for something that's better for your skin. There are more budget-friendly options out there, but if you want a blush that checks both performance and skin health, this is a great choice. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and sturdy, definitely travel-friendly. The product doesn't have a mirror, which might be a minor inconvenience for some, but I don't mind it much since I use a separate mirror for application anyway. It's lightweight and compact, so you can easily toss it in your bag without worrying about it taking up too much space. If you're wondering about customer support, I've had no direct interactions with Jane Iredale's team, but the brand has a good reputation for providing solid customer service based on what I've heard from others in the beauty community. As for product alternatives, if you're looking for something similar but more affordable, you might want to try ELF Cosmetics Primer Infused Blush or Milani Baked Blush. Both offer a beautiful, buildable color and a radiant finish without the higher price tag. However, neither offers the same clean, skin-friendly ingredients that Jane Iredale prides itself on. So what's the final verdict? I really like this blush. It's versatile, long-lasting, and gives a stunning, luminous finish that enhances your natural beauty. If you're into clean beauty and love a radiant flush of color, Jane Iredale PurePressed Blush in Barely Rose is definitely worth checking out. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. If you're willing to invest in a quality blush that feels great on the skin and delivers gorgeous results. Before I wrap up, if this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and as always, the link to purchase this product is in the description box below. If you've used this blush, drop a comment and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.